Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this one, we're gonna address this issue. It's got to do with those lines that appear on your game, especially when you have to do with pixel art and tile maps. That almost always happens, and it's very annoying. So the possible solutions that I have heard so far are three. The one of them is turning off anti-aliasing, which doesn't work for me. The second one is editing your tile map sprite. This one right here. It has all of the tiles that I use, the ground tiles and some vegetation. That one's actually very tedious and hard to do. The last method is simply to create uh, an atlas and put your tile set sprite in there and do nothing else, and it automatically fixes the problem. Let me show you a bit of the problem. As you can see, there are those lines. When I press play to test my game and played, they still remain. So yeah, uh, what are we gonna do about it? Well, this is the, as I said before, this is the sprite for the tile map that I use. I'm gonna go ahead and create. I right clicked, I go to create and then 2D sprite atlas. I'm gonna name it forest tile map atlas. And because we have to do with pixel art, I will set compression to none and filter mode to point. After that, I'm gonna simply take my tile set sprite and I'm gonna drag it here at objects for packing. So yeah, that's all. Now it should work. If I press play, those lines should be gone. Yes, they're gone. As you can see, no lines anymore. No lines. So one more problem is, as you can see, there are some lines here. To fix that, it's not that important because you don't really care about how the game looks like in the editor. You care about how the game looks like when you play it. But if you really have a problem with it, you can just resize the game window a bit, resize it until you have no lines like that. And now both when you press play and not, you don't have those lines. So yeah, that's all you do. By the way, if you have let's say this sprite at another folder and you're wondering how am I gonna drop it here, uh, you simply go here and you lock it here. You go to your sprite and then you drag it like that. Okay, so that's all. By the way, this is a little game I'm making with some friends of mine. Um, if you want to see more tutorials like this one, comment down below what you want to make a tutorial about, and I'll try my best to make a video about it. So, thanks for watching. See you in another tutorial. Bye.